It's been 7 hours and 15 days since you took your love away. I go out all night and sleep all day since you took your love away. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whoever I choose. I can eat my dinner in a fancy restaurant. Nothing can take away these blues. There's nothing compared, nothing compared to you. It's been so lonely without you here, like a bird without a song. Nothing can stop these lonely tears from falling. Tell me, where did I go wrong? I can put my arms around any girl I choose.
Eta 500 euskaldun kartzelak bisitatzera. Astero beste milakak egiten duen antzera. Puerto Cordoba, Sevilla, Huelva, Espainiako ertzera. Elkartasunezko keinu taitzak eman airik aditzera. Maitasuna eta berotasuna zuen gana ekartzera. Iritsiko direlakoan barruko ziega beltzera. Euskal Herriko bihotzetatik zuen denon bihotzera. Desio dugu ta ozen diogu Euskal presoak etxera.
All the flowers that you planted, mama, in your backyard, all died when you went away.
Hora Euskal preso politikoak!
I know living with me, baby, is sometimes hard, but I'm willing to give it another try.